Welcome to our channel. Stop believing these common car maintenance myths. Step 1. Check oil schedule. Don't change your oil every 3,000 miles by default. Modern engines and synthetic oil often last much longer. Follow your owner's manual for the correct oil change interval. Step 2. Use the right fuel. Premium gas isn't necessary unless your car requires it. Using regular fuel in a vehicle designed for it saves money without affecting performance. Step 3. Warm up briefly. Modern cars only need about 30 seconds of idling before driving. Avoid long warm-up times and drive gently until the engine reaches normal temperature. Step 4. Check tire pressure. Don't judge tire pressure by appearance alone. Use a tire gauge once a month to keep your tires properly inflated for better safety and fuel economy. Step 5. Inspect air filter. Replace the engine air filter only when it's dirty or according to the maintenance schedule. A clean filter helps your engine perform efficiently. Step 6. Listen to brakes. Brake noise doesn't always mean worn-out brake pads. Dust, moisture, or rust can also cause squeaking, so inspect the brakes before replacing parts. Step 7. Test the battery. Don't replace your battery based only on age. Test its condition first, as many batteries last longer with proper care. Step 8. Wash your car. Regular washing removes dirt, road salt, and bird droppings that can damage your car's paint and reduce its value over time. Step 9. Watch warning lights. Never ignore dashboard warning lights. Even a small issue can turn into an expensive repair if you wait too long. Step 10. Follow the manual. Every vehicle has different maintenance needs. Following the manufacturer's recommended service schedule keeps your car reliable and helps prevent costly repairs. Thanks for watching.